Hello guys, this is the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and I'm going to try the active track feature, that is the trace. So this is my first time trying it, my first time trying the active track feature on this drone. It was a nervy start, but I tried it anyway and I was successful. So anyone that is new can also try it. So there I go. So at the beginning, I was a little bit nervous. I was not confident that the aircraft was going to be safe. Yeah, so as you can see, I had to stop and then monitor my RC and also the aircraft behind me to see if everything was in order. So there I go again. And then I had to go on a bridge to go across, to go to the other side. So I was moving very slowly. So this is a town called Fulo, and in the Guangxi province of China, and this city is called Hezhou. It is a mountainous place. And why did I use the trace? Because this route has many obstacles, and I wanted to try it. And I'm getting to the place that had the most obstacles. Here, I was very, very nervous. I was thinking that, oh my God, I'm gonna crash my aircraft. So I was very careful here, and the road here was also not helping. I had to pay attention on the aircraft, on the RC, and also on the road. Yeah. So I was monitoring all three at the same time. That was very dangerous, but with lower speed, I was able to pull this off. So I'd advise that anyone wanting to try the active track in this kind of place with more obstacles, with many obstacles, should try to use the trace. Because with this feature, it has the ability to bypass obstacles. So here I was very confident that, oh, I'm pulling this off. Yeah. So I had to turn right here. Once again, I was going slowly because also there are some obstacles here. Speaking of obstacles, I realized that one, it was able to bypass this obstacle, and then two, it was able to bypass this one. But three, something happened here. Oh no, subject lost. Why? Because there are many trees there and it couldn't see me. I think so. And also two, because it had, I think it was a little bit curvy, the road. And also maybe I was moving faster, so it lost track of me. So what did I have to do? I had to reverse and then reselect the subject and then go on. That is the car. So that is why I said that it's good to monitor your RC. If you monitor the RC, you will know what happens. So here I was monitoring the RC, then I got the information that subject lost. So there I go again, slowly this way to make sure that I don't lose the track. So you can see there are many obstacles, light posts, cable lines, trees, and so on. So you can see there are many cables here. This is a valley, you know. And also on the left top side, there's a highway there. You can see the cars moving there. Excuse me. Yeah, so at this point, going across the second bridge, I knew that, oh, I'm almost home, because at this point I had almost gone past majority of the obstacles. So I was cruising here. Cruise control. So you can see many cables, you know. Yeah. Many cables, but it was able to bypass them. So this is a mountainous region. And also at this point I had to enter the township road, and this junction was not in order. Many potholes here, so I had to maneuver my way out. Okay, now on the road, and now just have a few meters to go to get home. So guys, if you're new to using the active track, please try to use the trace for the first time to see how it goes. So I'm almost getting home. Yeah, almost home. So also we can try to use the zoom in, zoom out feature. So here, when I was comfortable, I tried to zoom in to see how it's gonna be. So here I zoomed in, yeah, and zoomed out a little, and zoom in. So home sweet home. The aircraft is safe. So this is how I did my first active track, and then it was successful. So thanks guys for watching. I'm home. So this drone works perfectly. Yeah, it's a good function on it, the active track function. So see you next time when I bring another video. That is me coming out of the car. So see you guys later, and thanks for watching again. Bye.